Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this gingerbread man themed ornament, and I made this using all Dollar Tree items, and I think it was like only 2 or 3 items from Dollar Tree. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. So the item we're using to resemble the pan are these pallets, and the cool thing is that you get 6 of them in this pack. I went ahead and spray painted it gold. You could use brown, but I didn't have brown on hand, so I just went with gold, and it turned out cute. I'm using gingerbread, a sticker or decal from Dollar Tree. If you have a gingerbread man ornament, you can go ahead and stick that, but I'm going to take this pick as well, and you can use berries or a flower there instead, but I'm just going to glue everything in place, and then I'm going to make a hole up on top, add a little bow, and that's optional of course, and I added the string, and here it is on my tree. This project was so easy to make, but you know I had to share with you because if you have a gingerbread man theme tree this year, this is perfect. So let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on cool ideas like this one. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share this with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.